All right, so what we have is a big branch broken off in this pine tree at the back of my property. And it's just kind of dangling here. So we're gonna hook up to it and try to pull it down out of here with the 1 ton. Let's see how this goes. Let's go try to figure it out. Well, this is the box.
Before you got in the car, I was gonna ask you if I could get it.
Oh, yeah, you could have. You can do it on the way back. Alright, I got it hooked up around the Y there. Let's see if this works. Alright, buddy, here we go. Get back.
That tree's creepy.
Yeah, it came right out of there, didn't it?
That is so creepy.
Why is it creepy?
It's like a haunted tree.
Oh, because it's all dead and stuff.
Yeah.
Out of there. Nothing cool even happened. Now just gotta trim these low-lying branches out of here since they grew downward.
Hey, Daddy. Your camera frame's not up there.
I'll put it in the front. Move it.
That tree's creepy.
Yeah, it came right out of there, didn't it?
That is so creepy.
Why is it creepy?
It's like a haunted tree.
Oh, it's all dead.
Has like no leaves on it.
Mm-hmm. Well, it just came right down out of there. Didn't even do anything crazy. So now all we gotta do is trim these low-lying branches since they started growing down with that sitting on it all summer. You can see up there where it came from. Mm-hmm, right up there. So, alright, it was just wasn't as cool as I thought it was gonna be.